Hey everyone, Nick here from Tech Radar and welcome to my home office. Now, whether you're working from home or returning to the office, it's important to stay productive and manage your time in a smart way. Now, the one thing that does get a little bit difficult is managing our devices. Now, we carry around a smartphone, a laptop, sometimes even a tablet, all for very different purposes. We tend to use these devices independently from each other for a very specific purpose, but there's an easier and much more efficient way to make your devices work together. Today, we all have more smart devices than ever before, but they are often in segregated systems that make interconnection difficult, and as a result creates a fragmented user experience. Huawei Super Device experience provides a solution by enabling different devices to seamlessly connect and collaborate in a convenient and secure manner. This means previously independent products such as a tablet, a laptop, and a desktop screen now form part of a cohesive and holistic super device that provides a seamless smart office experience. This allows you to have a flexible working space depending on your work or entertainment needs, while keeping all of your devices in sync through wired or wireless connections. Today we're going to show you the smart office experience brought to you by the all-new Huawei MatePad Pro 12.6, Huawei MateView, and Huawei MateBook X Pro. With Huawei MateView, working on multiple applications or documents is a breeze. You can connect your Huawei MatePad and Huawei MateBook and enjoy a larger screen and incredible sound, as well as the comfort of using a wireless keyboard and mouse. It's also very easy to switch between your connected devices. Imagine you're working on your laptop for a long time and want to relax a little bit. Just use two fingers to tap once at the smart bar at the bottom of the Huawei MateView to enjoy your favorite movies from your MatePad on a larger screen. While you're watching the movie, you suddenly remember that you had to reply to an urgent work email, so you can quickly switch to your email app on your MatePad to send an important document, and then switch back seamlessly to your Huawei video app to continue watching the movie. It saves you the hassle of switching among different devices. This is what Huawei Super Device can bring to you, a brand new and innovative smart office experience. Similarly, when connected to the MateBook via a USB-C cable, you can use the Huawei MateView with a wireless keyboard and mouse to view large spreadsheets, proofread documents, and do even more. Under the new tablet PC multi-screen collaboration, the new Huawei MatePad series and Huawei MateBook can work together in several ways to your advantage, which allows you to have your devices interconnected in one super device. First up is mirror mode, where you can replicate what's on your MateBook screen and use the MatePad Pro to directly make notes or illustrate using the Huawei M Pencil 2nd generation. Huawei MatePad Pro is effectively transformed into a digital drawing pad, while the bundled Huawei M Pencil serves as a powerful tool. This is useful for when you want to mark changes to an image or a document using the MatePad Pro and have it saved on the MateBook. In Extend mode, the MatePad can be used as a secondary display for your MateBook, giving you more screen space for extra productivity. You could use the MatePad to edit some video footage while using the MateBook to review additional files and images. Lastly, in Collaborate mode, you can say goodbye to tracking down USB thumb drives when it comes to sharing files between your devices. Simply drag a file from your MateBook directly to the MatePad without any gap between two different OSs, and then use your MateBook keyboard and mouse to input any content onto your tablet. From managing emails to signing documents to enjoying a quick video during your lunch break, the Super Device is the most powerful work setup so far, and is truly the future style of working. The advantage of this new smart office user experience is the easy swapping of wireless and wired connections, screen sharing, and cross-device file dragging and dropping, all of which delivers a more efficient and collaborative multi-device experience, allowing you easily to switch between work mode and personal mode.